In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel GoDaddy domain renewal. If you want to stop a domain from renewing automatically in your GoDaddy account, this process is very simple and only takes a few moments. The main thing you'll be doing is turning off the auto-renew option for the specific domain you no longer want to renew automatically. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct GoDaddy account where the domain is managed. Start by opening your GoDaddy account and logging in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile section. This is usually located near the top area of the page. Click on your profile to open the account menu and access your account options. From there, select My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and other subscriptions. Once the My Products page opens, find the Domains section and click on it. This will take you to the list of domains currently registered in your account. Next, choose the domain you want to manage and click DNS. This will open the DNS management area for that domain. Inside this area, look for the Domain Settings section. This is where you can review important settings related to renewal, ownership, and domain management. Once you're in domain settings, find the Auto Renew option. To cancel the automatic renewal, simply toggle Auto Renew off. After you switch it off, give it a moment and wait for the change to be saved and confirmed in your account. Once that update goes through, the domain will no longer renew automatically at the end of the current registration period. It's important to understand that turning off auto-renew does not cancel the domain immediately. Your domain will remain active until its current registration term expires. This is helpful if you still need to use the domain for now, but don't want to be charged again when the renewal date arrives. As a quick tip, after disabling auto-renew, take a second to double-check that the setting is actually turned off. This helps you avoid accidental renewal charges later. You may also want to review the domain's expiration date so you know exactly how long the domain will remain active. And that's it. That's how to cancel GoDaddy domain renewal by turning off auto-renew in your domain settings.